A very good morning to one and all. Our theme for today's assembly is companionship.
Today I will tell you a story about President Lincoln. President Lincoln of USA made it a point during the Civil War to meet the enemy prisoners. He spoke to them kindly and with sympathy. Once a woman was angry with him, "You should destroy your enemy and not speak to them." Lincoln quietly replied, "What, madam? Do I not destroy an enemy when I make him my friend?" Thank you.
Let us reflect on the story. Friendship is a rich experience, even transforming people in this companionship. You must remember that others must become a letter because of you. If they are short-tempered, a shouting influence must make them restrained. If they are jealous, your open nature must make them tolerant. If they are critical, your generous nature must make them accepting. You too must be influenced by the good qualities of your acquaintance.
Let me value companionship. Lord, helping and being helped in good company. May others build up in me what I lack, and may I supply what others need, to enrich one another in satisfying and joyful manner. Lord, I ask your influence and help in this regard.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Kindly stretch your right hand forward for the pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.